Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 6 best courses and certifications to start your career in production management. Before we begin, first we will discuss who is a production manager, and then, his roles and responsibilities. So, let's understand, who is a production manager? A production manager is responsible for budgets, shooting schedules, and managing the day-to-day business side of a production. He reports directly to the line producer as the chief administrator in the production office. They do not make creative decisions on production, but they do make budgetary decisions that can have major effects on the end product. Some of the roles and responsibilities of a production manager are: create a production schedule, train new employees, schedule regular maintenance for equipment, discuss budget expectations with clients, purchase the required materials, ensure that health and safety protocols are adhered to. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is Certified Production Manager course by vSkills. vSkills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 12 learning hours. This course will teach you how to effectively schedule, manage the cost, performance, and quality of the product. The concepts covered in this course are: production planning control, facility location, material handling, project scheduling, inventory management and more. Second is Manufacturing Production and Operations by the Institute of Supply Chain Management. Institute of Supply Chain Management is a customized learning platform. This is an intermediate level course that will help you in developing key production planning skills along with the knowledge required to understand effective manufacturing planning, scheduling and control. The concepts covered in this course are: Introduction to Supply Chain, Introduction to Warehousing and Inventory, Procurement, Manufacturing, Planning, and Control, Logistics, and more. Third is Advanced Diploma in Production Management by ISBM. This one-year course lays emphasis on the professional development of its participants. It helps you achieve practical skills that help you gain progress in your career in production management. The concepts covered in this course are: production management, total quality management, supply chain management, safety management, and more. Fourth is Production Management by SWAYM. The course Production Management will consist of strategic planning in production management, planning function in production management, operational aspects of production management, and control and measurement of production management. The duration of the course is 16 weeks. The concepts covered in this course are: overview of production management, plant location and facility layout, cost profit volume or break-even analysis, aggregate production planning, capacity planning, and more. Fifth is Advanced Diploma in Production and Operation Management by Allison. The course will teach you about the requirements for effective inventory management. You will also learn about production planning problems using linear programming, as well as the concept of total quality management, and probabilistic time estimates. The concepts covered in this course are: Introduction to Operations Management, Introduction to Forecasting, Causal Methods of Forecasting, various variations of EOQ, aggregate sales and operations planning and more. Sixth is Production Planning for Management Consultants and Analysts by Udemy. This course provides insights into real-life case studies that make a consulting project much easier. It also enables you to analyze data and then draw conclusions from the analyses. This course includes 26 downloadable resources, 4 learning hours and lifetime access. The concepts covered in this course are: essential methods for production planning, goals and KPIs for production planning, Kanban and continuous flow, production planning in a continuous flow, capacity management, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.